guys, welcome to this quick tutorial on how to use our WordPress group blog. We start by going to the web address, which is urbanperipheries, if I can spell, peripheries.wordpress.com. And here we go, this is what our blog looks like if you stumble across it from the internet. The header at the top with the title, main frame on the left. This by default shows the most recent post that anyone's written, and then down the right our menu gives us links to navigate around the posts by category, by most recent. These are the most recent comments people have written, by author, which on my browser displays a bit weird. I hope it displays better on your browser. And then at the bottom here, these are the advanced links. So this is login, and then these are the two RSS links. I'm just going to quickly show you what these do. RSS feeds, really simple syndication feeds, are a kind of the cleanest way of looking at the blog. And if you have blog reader software, this is the link that you need. So I'll just show you, for example, this address here. I use something called NetVibes for my homepage, and it lets me keep up to date with all of my blogs that I read. So for example, this is what our group blog looks like on my homepage. It just shows me the most recent posts that anyone's written, along with a little image. Anyway, back to the point. In order to add content to the blog, you'll need to log in, which you do just here. Okay, so we put in our username and password. I'm going to click Remember Me. If you don't have a username and password, the link to get one's just here. And log in. Now that brings us to the admin kind of backstage area of the blog. I probably have a lot more options here than you do, because I'm the creator of the blog and also I run two other blogs. But for most things I actually prefer the site view, so I'm going to click Visit Site here and go back to the site view. That brings us back to just exactly where we were before. Now the easiest way to add content would be to make a comment. So let's make a comment on something Lawrence has written. Clicking Lawrence in this author's list just brings up a list of everything Lawrence has written. His introduction. Here we go, this is Lawrence's introduction. There's two photos. To add a comment, we just go to the bottom, and it says leave a response, type a response in the box. I'm just going to add nice photos. A bit glib, I'll probably delete it, but you can just see how to do it. You just click the submit comment button. It pings straight up and adds as a response. It says it's from me when I did it. Nice photos. Now, if this doesn't happen straight away, especially if this is the first time you logged in, don't worry. WordPress, when you first log in, automatically gives you the lowest access privileges. So the thing you've just written, it'll be waiting for someone else to approve it before it'll actually show it. So you just have to wait until me or someone else logs in, and then we'll be able to approve what you've written and also bump up your access privileges so you won't have to wait in the future. Okay, and now on to writing a post. Let's go home. Okay, so the most important, most usual way of adding content to the blog is to write your own new post. We do that from this grey menu here, new post. I have 3 blogs that I write to, but this is Urban Peripheries, the one that we're working on, the group blog. Click that, and that'll bring up the editor screen. Here we go. The other way to get to the editor screen is when from the admin view you click on write first and then post, and you get to here. So here we go, this is the editor screen. We type into the title box the title for the post, so I'm just going to write in here a new post. Then this is the main body of the editor here, which we can resize by dragging that little box there. We type our text in here. If I can spell, it helps. Say whatever movie would look like. And then we can format it just like Word or anything else. So we can add bold, whatever, it's actually one word, italic, etc. This little button here actually shows you more options. This drop down menu is quite good, it gives you for titling. So here we title typing. We can give that kind of a subheading, maybe heading type 3. And that formatting will actually change so it matches and blends in with however the blog looks, wherever it's being viewed. Now if you're going to paste, important point to notice is this paste button from Word, and that it opens a little dialog box and you have to copy and paste from Word into here, then click insert. Otherwise the formatting just goes completely haywire. You can add pictures, these buttons here, add an image, add a movie, add some music, or add some various other media if you maybe have a flash file or something. Just quickly show you what that looks like. Oh no, my internet's been really slow today, so maybe I'll just skip that for now. Oh, how do I skip that? There we go. The other thing you can do, of course, is add a hyperlink. Like any website, you click on this little button here to add a hyperlink. Type in the address here. Maybe I'll put a link to my other blog just there. Just open it in a new window. Insert that. Now, once you've finished as you like, there's a few other options. First and most important one is a category. These are like the folders for the different things that we write. So maybe I'm going to save this one in techniques, methods and methodologies for now. So we add a new category link there. Tags are kind of similar. That's if someone's doing a search. So we can add search terms basically for this particular article. So let's give it a couple. Tutorial on typing. Once we've done that, we click publish here, and that'll save your post to the blog. Here we go, it's the most recent post now, so it's now at the top of the home page. It says its title, who it's written by, when it was written, and then the content that we put in it. There we go, that's as simple as that. That's how you post to the blog.